Hello, this is Irina Fonina. I am delighted to be guest designer at Altenew Scrapbook blog today. I will be showing you how I created my travel album. I'm going to share my ideas on how to embellish pages using Altenew products, as well as other scrapbooking tips and tricks. I always start by printing the photographs and planning layouts. Here is my draft sketch for the album. I decide how to arrange my photos and how many pages I need for that. I'm grouping photos mostly chronologically. It is good to keep in mind that photos with similar colors go well together. I also enjoy collecting memorabilia, and Scrapbook album is the best place to keep it. I had vacation on Rhodes Island, Greece in 2016. My husband and I stayed at a resort by the sea. We also took sightseeing tours. We love taking pictures, and scrapbooking is great to look through them and remember those times. For this album I have chosen about 50 photographs, printed in standard 4x6 inches size, and I arranged them on 20 pages. I have bought this handmade leaf album at Souvenirs shop on Rhodes. I like the cover but not the binding, so I will be replacing the insides. I simply detached the front and back covers. I decided to use brown craft cardstock for the pages, so I have cut 10 sheets to the size of the covers. I also have a binding tool and I punched the holes for the wire. Now everything is ready to embellish the pages. First I'm placing the photos and other elements to find where I want them on the layout. I'm also using scrapbook paper to add patterns to the background. This Essential Rock Collection paper pack by Altenew went perfectly for my project. It has 24 double-sided sheets with different designs. I like chipboard stickers from Reflection Collection by Altenew. I used almost all of them in my album. I also used a few die cuts from the same collection. I have left a spot where I wanted to add handwritten journaling, and I decided to stamp a frame from Crystal Frames stamp set. Frame will show only partially, so I need precise placement. I will be using Stamping Platform, a friend of every stamper. I'm stamping directly on brown craft cardstock background. My new favorite ink pad is Altenew Obsidian Pigment ink. It stamps so well on many surfaces and dries fast and permanent. It is also easy to clean off the stamps after use. Next I decided to add some floral images and I took Pen Sketched Flowers stamp set recently released by Altenew. I'm placing this leafy branch minding the elements on the layout. Background stamping adds dimension to the layout and it is really quick and easy. Now it is time to adhere the elements. My choice for this project is Altenew glue tape. It is applied quickly and holds permanently. I am rolling strips of glue around the edges of every element, position them and press firmly. I thought that chipboard elements needed extra glue and used liquid adhesive on them. For my handwritten journaling, I'm using permanent black fine liner. I practiced writing my note on a piece of paper to make sure that it fits in the frame. Last but not least, I am going to add Altenew enamel dots. They come in different color families and are perfect for scrapbooking as well as card making. I'm adding dots next to the most important elements and in free spots to complete the page. Here is how the finished page looks in the assembled album. Now let me share more ideas with you. For these couple of pages I used some other stamp sets like Invisible Alpha by Alton U for the title, also crystal frames for journaling spots, then trigonometry stamp set, and also very cute traveling mini stamp set with icon images and travel themed words and phrases. I think this page looks fun and has dynamic. Another embellishment that I use for my album is gold string washi tape. I applied it to the background to add some more interest. I felt like I needed more golden embellishments and stamped the leaves from Pen Sketched Flowers stamp set with Alton U Antique Gold Pigment ink. It matches golden stripes on washi tape, and it also dries fast. Before giving you a full view of finished album, I wanted to explain briefly how I altered album cover. I have cut brown craft cardstock to the size of the cover, plus width of bookend and some extra. I used double-sided tape and strong multi-purpose adhesive to glue cardstock to front cover. Next, I glued another edge to back cover. Then I added a strip of faux leather to the book end. It works as reinforcement and decoration at the same time. I have used my binding tool to install the wire. The final step would be to glue the back of the last page to the back cover. And now I invite you to have a look at the finished travel album embellished using Alton U products. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to Alton U YouTube channel and visit Alton U blogs for more inspiration.